fuck your tired body, fuck that unmotivated mind, and get out there and do it anyway.
Every day of your life, just do it.
You got to figure out when your body's fighting you, when your mind's fighting you. How do you still, just say, fuck it, I'm gonna beat my mind today.
I built this shit. Me. Brick by brick.
Or do you just give in to your mind and say, oh, I'm tired today, I'm lazy, I don't want to do it, it's too hard, no one else is doing it, it's a weekend, it's too late, it's already off hours, oh, exactly what I want isn't happening right now. Like, okay, great. You know who that's great for? Your competition.
I'll never give up. Never.
You reach a point where you closer to where you're trying to get than where you started from. So you gotta keep going, and that's the point. If you stay down, you'll reach that point. You'll look up and be like, shit, it's closer to get to where I'm trying to get than to stop and turn around. So, just stay at it.
Rest at the end, not in the middle. And I took that to heart.